Please welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time here, I'm glad you stopped by. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you something creative, something super cute, right? I'm gonna be showing on how to turn a simple bra into a very beautiful glam beaded bra, right? So this bra is gonna be perfect for your photo shoot, for your bridal shower, for anything romantic, even if it's just for evening, just to put inside your fur coat, you know, just to look cozy at the same time looking cute, right? So the things that we're gonna need our white bra, we're gonna need our pearls in two different sizes. So you're going to sort your beads into different bowls, right? You're also gonna need your needle and your thread, your beading thread, right? So it's quite very strong, so it's something that we can use, or if ever you wanna use your fish lane, you are free to do so. So for the side of the cup side, right, so you're going to be adding your 10 mm as well as your 12 mm, right? So the first two that I added on the side, it was my 10 mm, then followed by 12 all the way, then the last two is going to be your 10, right? Just so that it doesn't look like so bumpy on the side, you know. Then followed by, on the chest, you're going to be adding your 8 mm together with your 10 mm. Then on the side of the belly, then that's where you're gonna be mixing your different sizes of beads from the smallest, then in the middle is gonna be your largest, and the remaining part is going to be from the biggest to the smallest, right? So this whole thing, it took me like a day or so. However, I do have kids, so you know how kids are. While my kids are around, I have to like pack all the beads and like keep them away. So it's something that I've been struggling with as a toddler mom recently. That's why I've not been uploading. However, that shouldn't be my excuse not to create. However, I hope you guys bear with me. I really appreciate I've been away for a very, very long time, and you guys stuck with me. Some of you guys have been asking me, where are you? But now, guys, I just promised myself that let me come back and do the things that I love, right? So I really appreciate you sticking with me so far. Yeah, guys, so back to the video. This whole thing, like, it's the very simplest thing I've ever done so far. You know, bags are very challenging. Bags are very challenging and very time consuming. However, we're gonna do more. There is a new styles I've seen. I'm like, wow. My people, they're like, Nolo, come back, come and do this bag for us, like do something. I'm like, you know what, let me just have this time to spend with my kids, then I'll be back. However, I'm back now. So yeah, I just want for us to be engaging. Like, I just want to know where you guys are watching from. You know, this type of things, they really like motivate me to come back and say, wow, people from so and so places, they do like my video, they do subscribe, you know. So guys, like I said, like on this side, right, like you just like under the armpits, right, you're just going to add from your smallest bead to your largest. So the largest one, I think here it was 16 mm, and the smallest one it was like 8 mm, right? So just make sure that you find a very strong bra that can hold the whole weight of the bead, right? So for me, I got this lace one. However, then I was like, okay, let me just go ahead, because I did it for someone like who was going for an event, right? So yeah, you're just going to add from like your smallest bead until your largest bead. Then you add a very tiny of 6 mm or 4 mm on the last one. Then you take your thread going up, then you tie the knot. So yeah guys, so for your chest you're going to use like 8 mm, or you can use like 10 mm, just so you tie it from another side and take it to the other side, right? It's not that difficult, and just make sure like on the top of the chest you don't use like a very heavy size like 12, 14 and 16, right? Then yeah guys, this is actually the final product, the final everything of it, right? It looks so cute. When I was done with it I was like, wow, this is so cute. I would love to make it for myself, maybe when I like go for vacation and stuff. Yeah. And like when you're a mom, maybe you like want to like cover up a little bit, then yeah, this is the perfect one you can use. Like you cover up your the things that you want to cover up, right? Yeah guys, this is the final product, the look, whatever you can call it, of it, right? Then yeah guys, I'll see you on my next one. I promise that'll be very soon. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.